How's it going, guys? In today's video we're going to be putting the Colt 1911 toy gun to the test against the red hot knife once we get that heated up.
I can't see a blue flame.
Alrighty guys, so here we go. The knife is quite hot. Let's go. That is going straight through. I think we're going to cut it off clean. What the heck is the spider doing there? Get away. Oh, this is cutting through quite a few layers of plastic. Really? Ho ho! Would you look at that? There's the spring inside. Has cut straight through 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of plastic. Doesn't quite load anymore. Now we'll try out the magazine.
Alright.
Yeah.
You have to reheat it though.
We'll just quickly reheat it. Getting ready for the next round. We're gonna give the magazine a go. Look at some of the plastic burning. Straight in half. Oh, we are through. I'll see if I can cut the trigger guard. Oh, there we go. Let's cut this other bit off. There you go. Look at that. Let's see if it still loads. Pop the magazine in. Nice and solid. Getting in there, getting through. Yeah, that's good. Almost there. Alright, here we go. Okay, so we're going to finish it off. Boom, straight through. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. There you go, guys.
Completely melted through.
Well guys, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see some more toy guns being chopped up and torched like this one, leave a comment below with a suggestion on which one you'd like to see. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next video.